Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, so went into Dollar General and was expecting not to see any clearance, okay? But when I went there was some clearance, okay? I was so happy. But when y'all go and y'all look for the clearance, because the clearance started yesterday, Friday, and it goes today, and then it also ends Sunday. It's always usually 3 days, okay, for the extra 50% off of whatever the lowest price is on clearance items, okay? So it's only on clearance because it's extra 50% off of clearance. So you might want to go check out the clearance aisle, which could be over by where the dog food is, but where mine is over where like the car stuff is. And or you can, they usually set up tables in the front, or there might be containers that they have stuff in. You might have to dig a little bit, or, you know, just look in their stuff. So when I walked into the Dollar General store that I always go to, I had me some stuff. And I was so happy. So this is actually just digital. And I think it's one manufacturer coupon that I used. I'm thinking that I used one manufacturer coupon. Yes, I used one manufacturer coupon, but the rest of them was digital, okay? So I just did another video, so you might want to check that out. That deal was on the low. Yes, y'all I mean the low. So y'all might want to go check that video out. The first thing I got was these Tyson's. These Tyson's chicken patties. They are $4.95. There is a 25 cents off digital coupon. Yes, y'all, just 25 cents. That's all they gave us. But I'm eating these. I need this for my lunch, okay? Because I work from home, and sometimes, and you know, since it's cold, I don't want to go outside. I don't want to do Grubhub. So I just try to buy stuff to where I can cook it myself at home, okay? So I just went ahead and bought that. So, yeah, 25 cents, that's it. So then the next thing are these garage sale labels, because when I do my stockpile sale, I have to have these. So this is the only time I usually purchase these, is when I have my stock, when it's the clearance, the 50% off clearance. I always purchase like 4 of these so I can use, okay? So I always have those. So I got 4 of them, and they was 37 cents a piece. I got the same thing because there are 180 labels in here, okay? So I need these when I do my stockpile. And then when I do start to do my stockpile sale, y'all, I do usually do videos, but then be so many people coming, I be forgetting to pull out my camera and video, and I just be, you know, selling. But I think this year, what I'm going to do is make sure that I do document it good, or try to document it good for you all and bring you all a video on it so you all can see it, okay? I'm going to try to do that. You know, I can't guarantee, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try to do it for this year, okay? I'm going to try, all right? So, the next thing was this Colgate. The Colgate Sparkling White. Let's see. The Colgate rung up for 65 cents. I didn't have no digitals, but I just seen 65 cents just to put in, which I could have waited for this one. But I don't know why. I just picked it up because I was trying to do my 5 off of 25 along with it. But I really didn't need it, but I just left it on in, okay? The next thing was this Jif to go. I had a, I think it was a 50% off, 50 cents off for this Jif. I think it was 50 cents off manufacturer coupon that I use for these. These are $1, and I love these. My husband, he uses these for when he's out in the field for work because he loves peanut butter, okay? The next thing was the Tresemme. The Tresemme, that is on, what was the Tresemme? Where's the Tresemme at? I know $1.87, and there is a $1 off digital coupon that did attach, okay? The next thing is this Suave. All right, so it's the coconut and vanilla. It seemed like all of the coconut brand, the coconut scent that is in these products is on sale because I guess people are not buying the coconut. And so they are putting those all on clearance. So this Suave, let's see, how much was this one? This Suave was $1.12. And I had $1 off digital coupon that did attach. And now this was the last one that I seen. I had looked for this when I did my other transaction, but I didn't find it. But when I went back to my second transaction, boom, there it was behind something else. So I got this one just for 12 cents, y'all. Just this Suave shampoo just for 12 cents. The next thing is the Love and Beauty Planet. Okay, they are 5 cents. 5 cents, Lord. They are $5 each. There is no clearance for these, okay? But I did have digital coupons for these Love and Beauty. The Love and Beauty, there was a $4.50 off of 2. And then there was also a store discount. I think it was $3 when you buy 2, I believe. So both of those did come off, and I will show you on my receipt. All right. The next thing was the Suave. These are on clearance. These Suave, they are $1.80 a piece. I got the sugar cookie and the melon sorbet again. They did have a shampoo. I think it was conditioner, but I didn't want that. I said, I'm going to get this body wash because I always wanted to try those two every time I see them, but the price wasn't not good for me to even purchase. So, like I said, these are, how much was those? These Suave was $1.80. I had a $2 off digital coupon that came off of these. I think it was $1. Yeah, a $2. I think it was $2 that came off. And then, you know, the 5 off of 25 also came off for that. Okay. They took off some stuff for that. All right. So the next thing are these Palmolive. Palmolives are buy one, get one free. They are $3 each. So there's a digital coupon for buy one, get one free. And they only had Palmolive. They didn't have, the Ajax also is included, but they didn't have the Ajax. They just had Palmolive. So I got both of those. Like I said, they was $3 each. So it was buy one, get one free with a digital coupon. And that did come off too. Okay. Then the last thing was the Chic Classic. The Chic Classic razors, this is the women. The men are on sale also. They are $4. There is a $3 off digital coupon, but they're not, those are not on clearance, okay? This is, the regular price was $4, and there was a $3, well, they was on sale, I'm sorry, $4 on sale. And there was a $3 off digital coupon, making that $1, okay? After everything had scanned, totaled up, all my digitals came off. My one manufacturer coupon came off. My subtotal was $11.62. Yes, $11.62. So let me show you my receipt. There it is. There's everything. There it is. Everything. There's my subtotal, $11.52. I'm sorry, $11.52. And then my total savings was $23.15. And then I got a 5 off of 25. But y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by. Miss London's Child.